Missing Parts Garage. You can see our next little project here. This was given to us by our Auntie M and Uncle Kevin, and their kids outgrew it, and it was left in the backyard. It's not running, and we're going to try and get it running and have some fun with it. So I have no idea anything about it. I was just told that Uncle Kevin put a carburetor on there and couldn't keep it running after that. So we're going to dig into that. We got to charge the battery, and we'll take a walk around this thing and I'll show you. All right, cool little two-seater go-kart. X-Pro. No idea where it came from or who makes it. Let's see what kind of motor this thing has in it. I don't know if we can look and see. Looks like probably just a Chinese single cylinder. Looks like it's got a little transmission on it with a chain drive. I don't know if it's like a clutch type deal or what it's got going on there, but look at that. We got a battery over here, so it's electric start. It's got lights on it. Pretty cool little go-kart. That suspension is pretty cool. It's got disc brakes on the front. Independent suspension. Looks like it's got a rack and pinion steering. Is that hydraulic brakes? Wow. Turn signals. Oh, this looks like a shifter here. Maybe it's got reverse too. Yep, hydraulic brakes. That cool little dashboard there. What we got? Looks like we got a shift indicator. Sorry about that. And lights and a horn. Turn signal switch. Hazards. Need those on a go-kart. Cool. Let's hook up the battery charger and see if we can get this thing at least turned on. All right. I got the battery charger hooked up. It's not pumping a lot of amps out, but let's see if we got lights. Oh, that turned on. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, got some lights. Yeah, hazards? No, not working real well. Let's turn. No starter. Let's see what we got here. Shifter. Let's see. Oh, there's one. We got one there. Neutral. Reverse. Yeah, parking brake is on. Nothing. I wonder if there's a safety switch in the seat, or probably got to be pushing the gas or the brake pedal to get this started. So let's try that. All right, brakes are on. Oh, there we go. Don't sound too bad. Didn't start though. Let's see, is there oil somewhere? Let's check that. Oh yeah, got some oil. That's full. Guess we'll pull the plug, see what that looks like. Maybe shoot some starting fluid in there. See if we can get it to light off. Now let's check this plug. Huh. Look at that little thing. It is tiny. And it's pretty well fouled. It smells like gas. Let's spin it over a couple times, maybe blow that cylinder out. You know what? I'm gonna run a piece of sandpaper in between the electrode and the ground strap there. Just see if I can clean it up a little bit. All right, I'm gonna spin this motor over. Let's see if we get some spark out of that spark plug. All right, you saw we had spark there. I'm gonna throw that plug back in. And I don't know if I got some starting fluid or not, but it smells like gas in the cylinder. So let's just see if it starts up. Ah, good old starting fluid. Oh, there it goes. All right, well, we know it runs. Sounded pretty good. Maybe there is water in the fuel or something. I think what I'll do next is drain that gas tank, put some fresh fuel in there. All right, I got my drain pan down underneath here. Let's see if I can open this bottom of this bowl. It has a little screw. I think it's to drain it out. So let's try that. It is tight. Oh, that's great. I just broke the broke the fuel selector valve right off, or the handle of it. Anyway, great. Let's see if we can get the hose off and draining. Not a very big tank, but it must have been pretty full. Yeah, it's just about empty now. Let's see if I can get that carburetor off. an O-ring seal on that. I'm assuming this has an O-ring there. Yep. I want to drain this bowl out. Just having trouble getting a screwdriver on that screw here, so let's see what it can do here. Man. Alright. Alright, I got that. That's draining. You know, just for the hell of it, I'm going to pull this bowl off. See if there's any junk in there. Ooh, I want to strip it. Jeez, that's tight. Alright, well, may have to revisit that idea. Let's put this back together. Put some fresh fuel in it. See if it fires up. Uh-oh. Ain't got no gas. That ain't good. There's a little bit in this. May have to run to the station. Well, don't know if that's enough or not, but we're gonna give it a shot. No choke on this carburetor, but I don't think I have enough fuel in the tank to get it to fire off. All right, well, I'm gonna go get some gas and I'll be back. All right, got some fresh fuel in it. I already did get it running. I forgot to press record, but the problem here was there's an adjustment screw here and one here. I think this is the idle speed, and this is a mixture screw down here. I messed with the mixture screw and the idle speed, and eventually I got it running pretty good. So let's here, I'll show you, start it up. Oh. Runs good. that was a blast. Got this thing running pretty good, and we had some fun with it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time we got a new project here at Missing Parts Garage.